What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Huawei Y8p and Huawei Y9s smartphones. Both of them are pretty much same when it comes to hardware specification. The only difference is that Y8p got a smaller screen. Y8p runs on Android 10, Emotion UI 10, while Y9s is still running on Android 9. So let's see how much difference we are going to get in terms of benchmarking test score between these two smartphones. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are Antutu benchmarking, 3D Mark and Geekbench 5. We have already performed all of these tests and we'll just have a quick look on these scores. First of all, let's start with Antutu benchmarking. So Huawei Y8p scored 192,069 and Y9s scored 183,848. So the winner is Y8p, and if we have a look on the individual test score result, you can see the scores for CPU, GPU, memory and UX. So in CPU, GPU and UX, performance of Y8p is better, and in memory, performance of Y9s is better. Even though both of them got the exact same CPU and GPU, the points achieved by Y8p is more compared to Y9s. But our concern is the overall score, and in that, once again, Y8p is the winner. Let's have a look on the 3D Mark. So here you can see the scores for Slingshot and Slingshot Extreme. So in Slingshot, Y8p scored 1,599, and in Slingshot Extreme OpenGL, it scored 1,101, and in Slingshot Extreme Vulkan 1,067, and the Y9s scored 1,159 in Slingshot, 870 in Slingshot Extreme OpenGL and 939 in Slingshot Extreme Vulkan. So in all of these three tests, performance of Huawei Y8p is better compared to Huawei Y9s. Now let's have a look on the Geekbench 5. So Y8p scored 337 in single core and 1402 in multi-core, while Y9s scored 322 in single core and 1349 in multi-core. Once again, performance of Y8p is better in both single core and multi-core, but the difference is not much this time. But still the winner is Y8p. So in all of these three tests, performance of Y8p is better compared to Y9s, and you can give the credit to the better software optimization as it runs on Android 10 compared to Android 9 on Y9s. Other than that, everything, the CPU, GPU, amount of RAM, amount of storage is same on both devices. But as we have seen in the Antutu benchmarking, even with the same hardware specs, in the CPU and GPU, performance of Y8p was better, and also in 3D Mark, that is basically a GPU benchmarking test, performance of Y8p is better even though it got the exact same GPU like the Y9s. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.